Hello guys, you're welcome back to my Adobe Premiere Pro Masterclass. If you're just joining us, you're welcome. My name is Imo King. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to add cinematic black bars to your videos. So the first thing you want to do is to come over here and click on Add New Adjustment Layer. You select your adjustment layer. Then you drag your adjustment layer on top of your footage over here and stretch it to reach the end of your footage over here. The next thing you want to do is to add effects. The crop effect, you select the crop effect and then you place it right on top of your adjustment layer. So you scroll down to your effects control and then you crop the top and the bottom of your adjustment layer and it will automatically create the black bars for you. You want to make sure that your black bars are of equal length, equal height at the top and at the bottom. Make sure that it's symmetrical. So if this is 7, you probably want to make this 7 also. Alright guys, that's the easy way of adding cinematic black bars to your video in Adobe Premiere Pro. I hope you found this tutorial very useful. If you did, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and drop your feedbacks in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching this video to the end.